Myself, JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I will learn about the monotonic sequence. A sequence xn is said to be first number non-decreasing. If sequence xn is less or equal to xn plus 1 for all small n belongs to capital N, that is x1 is less or equal to x2 is less or equal to x3. And second, non-increasing. If xn is greater or equal to xn plus 1 for all small n belongs to capital N, that is x1 is greater or equal to x2 is greater or equal to x3. Next, strictly increasing. If xn is less than xn plus 1 for all n belongs to capital N, that is x1 is less than x2 is less than x3. Next and last, strictly decreasing. If xn is greater than xn plus 1 for all n belongs to N, that is x1 is greater than x2 is greater than x3, and so on. A constant sequence is either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing, hence it is monotonic. Now a sequence follows in any one of these four categories is called the monotonic sequence. For example, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and so on. It is a monotonic sequence of type non-increasing. And the another example, sequence 1 by n, this can be written as 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and so on, 1 by 4, and so on. This is the sequence strictly decreasing type monotonic. For remark, a sequence which contains alternately positive and negative term cannot be monotonic sequence. A monotonic sequence is bounded below or bounded above according as it is increasing or decreasing. It means if sequence is increasing, then it will be monotonic in below, and if it is decreasing, it means it will be bounded above. For second point, the monotonicity of a sequence with positive term can be checked by considering the difference between xn minus xn plus 1 or the ratio of xn upon xn plus 1. For example, the sequence xn is non-decreasing if xn minus xn plus 1 is less or equal to 0 or xn upon xn plus 1 is less or equal to 1. This is remark, the greatest integer of n to the power half is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on. It is non-decreasing monotonic sequence. Next example, sequence xn is equal to sequence of 4n minus 1 upon 5n plus 2. Here xn is equal to 4n minus 1 upon 5n plus 2, comma xn plus 1 is equal to 4n plus 3 upon 5n plus 7. So we calculate xn minus xn plus 1, which will be the less than 0. So the given sequence is non-decreasing monotonic sequence. Thank you.